Title: The Pirate Queen of China. Ching Shih. In the early 1800s, the South China Sea was ruled not by kings or emperors, but by a woman. Her name was Ching Shih. She began life as a poor girl from Guangdong, later working on a floating brothel. There she met the notorious pirate commander Zheng Yi, who took her as his wife. When he died in 1807, Ching Shih took command of his fleet and turned it into the most feared pirate armada in history. She commanded over 70,000 pirates and 1,800 ships, men and women who swore strict loyalty to her. Her code was law: disobey orders, harm civilians, or steal from the common loot, and you would be executed. Ching Shih crushed Chinese naval forces, defeated Portuguese and British warships, and even forced the Qing dynasty to offer her amnesty. She accepted, keeping her fortune and retiring peacefully, something no pirate in history had done before. She died in 1844, wealthy and undefeated. Fire Call to Action, CTA. Strength is not about titles. It is about vision, discipline, and the will to command respect. Ching Shih proved that even in a world built to silence women, power bows to those who take it. Led with courage, and history will remember your name.